Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2018 Suzuki DR-Z400S Dual Sport. Only 2,388 miles on this awesome condition Suzuki Dual Sport. This is the one with the great suspension, great combination bike. You can do some off-roading and hit the streets. It's got a rear luggage rack. Everything else standard on it. Come on by and make your 400 Dual Sport dreams come true for just $64.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.